Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see what is JDoodle and how that can help to learn, teach, assess, and practice programming. JDoodle is an online programming platform and it offers three major features. The first feature is online IDEs. By using JDoodle's online IDEs, you can code in 88 programming languages as of recording today, and each one of these languages supports multiple versions. So basically, you don't need to install anything in your system. For example, if you want to run a Hello World program, if you just want to practice a Hello World program, or you want to teach Hello World program in Python to someone, so what you usually do, the very first thing you need is a laptop, and the laptop should be with the right configuration. It should have the right amount of RAM, it should have the right amount of CPU, it should have the right hard drive, all that stuff. Then you have to install an operating system. That operating system has to be patched to a certain level so that you can install compilers on top of it, then libraries if you need. Then you have to install an IDE. Then you have to configure all that together. Just to run one line of Hello World program, you have to do all this and you need all this stuff. But with JDoodle, you don't need to do any of this. You don't need to have any of this. Just visit jdoodle.com, click start coding, and you can start typing the code. Click a button, you will get the result. That's our JDoodle IDE. The second offering from JDoodle is JDoodle integration into your website. So basically, you can include an IDE straight into your website. For example, you may be a blogger, technical blogger, programming blogger, or you may be writing a technical articles, or you are a teacher using a learning management system. You want to integrate an IDE into your learning management system. JDoodle supports that by in two ways. One is APIs, and another one is called plugins or embeds. JDoodle APIs comes in two flavors. One is REST API, another one is WebSocket API. Using one of these APIs, you can integrate your website or your software with an IDE. Or you can go to JDoodle and you can create a embed plugin, just it's all visual, just you can drag and drop, create an IDE, then you will get 3 lines of code. You just copy those 3 lines of code, put it into your website, be it article, blog, learning management system, you can see an IDE straight in there. That is the second feature, integrating IDEs into your website. The third feature from JDoodle is by using JDoodle, you can assess a programming student skills. You can assess a candidate for their programming skills, things like that. By using JDoodle, you can do teaching, learning, assessing, and practicing programming. Our aim is to make programming, the whole programming world turbocharged. We want to reduce the amount of wastages happening in the programming world. Thanks for watching this video. Please follow our YouTube channel so you can get the updates from us straight into your YouTube account itself. Thanks for watching the video again.